Hi, I'm Invalid Ghost, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. Today we're going to code. Don't ask why. Anyway, before we begin on this coding journey, just wanted to mention that I was eating these graham cracker Scooby snacks, and I left them out for a few days, and then I just tried to eat one, and it's like wet. It's like soggy. It's chewy now. Like, it doesn't crunch. And it's kind of freaking me out, but, you know, I also kind of like it, so, whatever. Anyway, today we're gonna just try and do, some of these things here. So, you know, we've got, write a program that prompts the user to enter a string and then prints out the length of the string. Sorry, it's late, I'm tired. Write a program that prompts the user to enter a list of numbers, then prints out the sum of all the numbers in the list. Write a program that prompts the user to enter a number, then checks whether the number is prime or not, blah 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 blah. We get a whole list of things. I don't know if we're gonna go through all 10 of them, but we're gonna just see how many I can do. I've already got 2 things up right now. We got this calculator, which basically it's a calculator. Look, I'll show you how it works. You press the play button, enter the first number, okay, 10, enter the second number, 15, enter the operator, multiplication, sure. Bam, 150, wow, amazing. By the way, if anyone knows how to, like, get this cursor to automatically move to this side, please let me know, because that is so irritating. Anyway, I'm using Eclipse, by the way. In case that wasn't obvious. And Eclipse uses Java, for coding. In case that wasn't also... well, I mean, it can probably use other things. I don't know. I use it for Java. Anyway, the other thing I have in here is this Pokemon calculator. This Pokemon calculator is basically just rock, paper, scissors, but it's got Pokemon in it, so, you know, it's more fun. I don't know, let's say I pick fire, my opponent picked water. Bam, I'm a loser and my fire type drowns. Do I want to play again? Yes. Okay, I'll play with water this time, and my opponent has fire. Congrats, I won! Water beats fire. No, I don't want to play again. So, yeah, that's how that program works. It's very simple. They're both very simple. I'm new to programming, okay? This is very difficult for me. I didn't even, like, understand what this was, but Eclipse wanted me to do that. I was like, I've never even heard of the try thingy, but whatever. Today, we're gonna try and do that thing that I just said we were doing. What is number 1? Write a program that prompts the user to enter a string, and then prints out the length of the string. Okay, that's easy. That's easy peasy. Now, how do I make a new thing? It's been a few days. New Java project. Yes. Okay. So we'll call this string length. Okay, we got string length here. Now we gotta make a new class. We'll call it string length. Yes, it has to be spelled like that, otherwise, Eclipse throws a hissy fit. Watch. Oh, actually it doesn't. Oh. Interesting. Okay, whatever. Oh, I forgot to name the package. Okay, so that... wait, what? Type name is discouraged. Package name is discouraged. Okay, what? What? Okay, now it's happy. I've made it happy. Create a new Java class. The package is lowercase upper. Then the name of the frickin' class is upper. Okay. Okay. We need one of these. I think that's good. Great, so we've got this. I'm just going to move that down a little bit, throw our thing in here, and just // it's a comment now. Bang. Bing, bam, boom. It doesn't care about this line anymore. I also want to just do that real quick so we can see the whole thing without having to scroll. Okay, right, I know I can probably, like, do this better so that I didn't have to put 2 slashes here. I don't care. That's how I write comments. Don't judge me. Write a program that prompts the user to enter a string and then prints out the length of the string. Alright, so that's what we're doing. I don't like these over here. I don't like them there. I don't like this. Now everything is pretty. I like that. Okay, so first things first, we need a scanner. So, let me just go look at this again. Okay, yeah, that's perfect. Right there. Copy and paste. Bam. Import java.util.scanner. And then we need to have the user enter something, which we need this right here. I don't know if we're gonna need the try, I hope not, but there we go. And then we need to have the user enter something. So we need to have a string, and the user needs to enter something. What should we call this string? String. Yeah, that's good. Perfect. Bam. We're doing this right? Yeah, this is perfect. This is perfect. I'm just wondering why it's not... What are you not happy with? Oh, I forgot about that. I'm sorry. I'm a loser, I know. Okay, what is wrong with this? I didn't even put this in here. They put it in here for me, so why is this wrong? Import expected? What do you mean? Oh, sorry, I gotta put that first. I'm just stupid. I'm just a little stupid, you know. I'm just a smidgen stupid. Multiple markers at this line. The value of the local well, of course it's not used. We're about to use it. Keyboard is never closed? The frick does that mean? What the... Keyboard is never closed? What are you talking about? Do you want the try? I'll put the try in. Are you happy now? Do you like it? No? Why not? Okay, let's just pretend this is working perfectly. So we've got the scanner. We've got the string. Now we need to print out the length of that string. So we need another string, right? Maybe we need an integer? I don't freaking know. No, wait. I don't know. What do we need? We need a string dot length, right? Returns the length of the string. Yeah. We need this. Gimme. Thank you. We put a string in there, right? Is that what we do? Am I doing this right? The method length in the type string is not applicable for the argument's string. The what? Oh, that's probably what I did wrong. Yeah, okay, I saw that. It's late. Don't judge me. And then return... hold on. Let me just, PP. There we go. Okay, int. Right? Okay, return PP. Thank you. That works, right? Why do I need to rename it? Why are you mad? Why are you mad? What do you mean? Return cannot be resolved to a type? What does that mean? No, return people. It need to be lowercase. Return PP. Now why are you mad? Void methods cannot return. Oh, freaking! Make it a string then. Why am I down here? Okay, void. What's the opposite of void? I don't know. Just get rid of it. What? What are you public? What is this? Return type for method is missing. Return type for method is missing. Okay. Int. There we go. Int goes there. Jesus. Then we return the PP and it works, right? I still don't understand what that means. Are we done? Can we play? Why am I playing this? I want to play this. Oh. No, I want to run string length. Why do I only have the choice between these two? I'm so confused. Does not contain a main type. What do you mean it doesn't contain a main type? Unresolved things. Void methods cannot return a value. Okay. Alright. But listen here, bucko. I didn't want to put void. It forced me to put void. Okay. You know what? We will try something else. We will not do return. Obviously, I don't know what the frick I'm doing. I'm gonna do the other thing. Out, print line. No, just print. Just print. Oh god, what am I doing with all this? Oh my god, why are there 2 semicolons? Print. Then we put in... No, we don't put the things, we put PP. Perfect. This works, right? Perfect? Perfect? We're gonna print the PP? Why didn't it work? Oh, I know why it didn't work. Oh, I'm stupid. Okay, sorry. System.out.print line. Enter a string. And then we put the little arrows. There we go. There we go. There we go. Right? Am I doing this right now? There we go. Errors. Why? Why? Oh, that's why. That's very simple why. Okay. Now it should work. Enter a string. Alright. Poo. 3. Done. We did it. It only took me 16 minutes, but I did it. I am a genius. Everybody clap for me. I did it. I did it, everyone. I got it to count the letters of poo. Alright, I think that's enough work for today. I'm very tired. Okay, I'm kidding. Alright, we did that, so we marked it off. Okay, next, write a program that prompts the user to enter a list of numbers and then prints out the sum of all the numbers in the list. Now we get rid of this. We make a new project. We're gonna call this sum numbers. And then we gotta go make a class. Then we call it, oh god, oh god, oh god. Sum numbers. And sum numbers. And public, please. Thank you. Alright, so far so good. So we're going to write a program that prompts the user to enter a list of numbers and then prints out the sum of all the numbers in the list. Okay, we're just gonna do that. We're gonna get rid of this, because I hate it. Okay, we're gonna need that thing, which I got rid of. Okay, you know what? You know what? I should see if my memory's good. Import.util.scanner. Bam. I'm not even gonna check if that's right. It's probably wrong. Okay, then we need to new scanner equals keyboard. I know I can do this very easily, you know, I know this can be just the frickin' that. I don't give a dang about that, and I know I could probably name this whatever I want, but I don't give a dang. I like naming it keyboard, okay? So don't you judge my decisions in life. Keyboard dot frick. How do I remember the rest? I don't remember the rest. Look, I'm new. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. I know you're judging me. Okay, keyboard dot... I forgot the Java part. Yeah, sorry. Java. Bam. Scanner keyboard. Oh. I was doing it backwards. I copy and pasted a lot. I probably shouldn't do that. Okay, alright. Those 2 things are good. I'm just gonna copy this as well, because it's the same kind of stuff. Enter a number. Now, I don't know if I'm supposed to make it... Oh, frick. Oh, god. If I'm supposed to make him enter, like, multiple numbers at once, but I'm just gonna say, let's give him 4 numbers. Right? And we'll just do it one at a time. We'll just do it one at a time. So then we need this thing, of course. I'm gonna have to edit that in a bit because it's not exactly right. So we need a new integer. And it's not gonna be a string, it's gonna be num1. Keyboard.next int. And we're gonna have to do that for pretty much all these. Okay, and I guess we can make this a little fancy, you know. Done. So now what is this doing? We got the list of numbers here. We gotta print out the sum of all the numbers in the list. Alright, easy enough. So then, total, int total equals num1 plus num2 plus num3 plus num4. And then we do the system.out.print. And we print out the total. Done, right? That was easy. What is wrong with this? What is wrong with this? Num can stop. Oh, I put them. I accidentally put a space. Okay. Oh, I forgot to do the last one. Oh, okay, sorry. Int num4 equals keyboard.next int. There you go. Okay, there we go. And what's this? I don't give a thing about that. Okay, now we can go. Let's enter 5. We'll make it easy to make sure that the math is correct. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. We'll just keep going, keep adding 5s. 5 times 4 is 20. That's correct. I did it. Conquered. That one was much easier than the string length one, but that's because I just learned about the length, what is that called? Method? No. Type? No. Class? No. Method? Sorry, this. I just learned dot length. I don't know what that is, but I learned it recently, so that's why that one was a bit harder, but this one was very easy, because it's very simple. Now we're done with that. We're done with some numbers. We can check that off the list. This is actually going a lot more smoother than I thought it was going to go. Okay. Next up, we have write a program that prompts the user to enter a number and then checks whether the number is prime or not. Prime is odd, right? No, because 2 is also a prime number. Why is 2 a prime number? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29... Okay, there's definitely something I'm not getting about prime numbers. Prime numbers need to have exactly 2 factors. 2 is a prime number because its only factors are 1 in itself. Alright, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, this will be easy. I can do this. So we'll call this the prime finder. Yeah, that sounds definitely not lame as all heck. So, as always, we first throw in our instructions so that we always know what we're doing. Write a program that prompts the user to enter a number and then checks whether the number is prime or not. So we can actually copy a lot from, not that one, from this one. We'll just copy, well, first of all, we need the scanner. And then we also need this part, this whole part here, because we need the person to enter a number. And oh my god, I hate that bracket being over there. Don't ask me why, man. I don't like the brackets being at the end there. I like them being here. It just makes more sense to me personally. I hate it when the brackets are at the end of the line. I hate it. Okay. Scanner, keyboard, new scanner, system in, number 1. Okay, we'll just call that number, because there's no other numbers. Alright, now we need to check if this number is prime. That's pretty freaking easy. We just do an if statement. If num equals 2 or num is divisible by 2. No, if num is not divisible by 2, so we need to put not num divisible by 2. What? Why don't you like it, huh? Okay, so I've obviously made a bunch of mistakes. Now, I'm not good at this if-else stuff yet. This is quite new for me. Obviously, I'm doing something wrong, but I don't understand what exactly it is. Oh god, what is that? Okay, I understand. Now, what is this? Doesn't like my else. Oh, I'm sorry. I needed the brackets, right? Like that? No? Okay, I looked a few things up. This is wrong. That should be... that? No, sorry, that? And that shouldn't be... no, maybe it should be there. Oh god, I don't remember. No. Oh, I effed up. Sorry. There, does not equal 0. The number divided by 2, if the remainder of the number divided by 2 does not equal 0, so obviously if a number is even, its remainder is going to be 0. But here, we're looking for prime numbers, so we want it to not equal 0 when it's divided by 2. AKA cut in half. Now, what did I do wrong here? I don't know what I did. Why is this still angry at me? Why are you still mad? Stop being mad. I don't understand. Why are you mad at or? Okay. This should be 2 equals. There we go. That was the thing that was wrong. It should work perfectly now. This is exactly what it should be. Enter a number. 2 is a prime. Perfect. 3 is a prime. Perfect. 4 is a not prime. We've done it. I've done it again. Look at me. I'm such a genius. Yeah, okay, I really screwed up this whole thing. But you know what? I knew what I was doing, sort of. And that's amazing, because I honestly didn't think I knew what I was doing. Alright, back to the list. We've done number 3. We've done 3 things in the span of... how long has it been? 34 minutes. Do you know how fast that is? I'm just popping these suckers out. Alright, let's see what the next one is. What does the next one have in store for us? Write a program that takes 2 strings as input and then checks whether the 2 strings are anagrams of each other. Okay. You know what? It sounds better than this one, so you know what? I'll try to do it. Now I was like, I don't know about this. Now, an anagram is a word that can be turned into another word, right? Am I correct on that? Like, it's like car and... never mind, it's not like car. It's like, scared and sacred. Right? Scared and sacred, sacred. The words are, the letters are the same, but they're scrambled. Am I right on that? Or am I totally wrong? Because, you know, it's been a while since I've learned what an anagram is. Let's look up the definition real quick so I can be sure that I'm correct. A word or phrase made by transposing the letters of another word or phrase. Like secure and rescue. Okay, yeah. So now how do we freaking do this? Well, first things first, you know, let's do the things I know. Let's go back to string length. Open that bad boy up. Let's just copy all that and paste it. So this part we definitely do need. We need enter a... let's just say enter a word. And now we need to enter another word, right? Yes, they need to enter 2 words. Done. Simple enough. So we got string and we got string 2. Then we have this PP thing. Now I don't know what the heck we do here. Alright, well, I failed at this one. I completely failed. This is as far as I got. And then it got really difficult. I don't know. Alright, so yeah, that one required looking things up and figuring things out, but I'm pretty sure this should work. This should work here. Let me explain what we've got here actually. So first things first, I had to get an array in, so we entered that bad boy in here. Anyway, then we had to make a method here. We had to make a boolean is anagram method that'll take in 2 strings and then do whatever this is. And then it'll do whatever that is. So yeah, let's just see if that works. Let's see if that works. Enter a word. Scared. Enter a word. Sacred. Yep. It works. Yep. That's cool. So, let me try and explain this further. So arrays dot equals char array 1 and char array 2. Char array 1 is string 1, which would be a string, which would be scared in this case. So scared is being brought down to lowercase, and then it's being brought down to character array. I don't even know what that is. I haven't used this before. This part here, I haven't used that before, so I don't know what that means. And then the second one is doing the same thing. So I'm assuming we're dropping it to lowercase because we need the two words to be the same for the program to work correctly. So if I had put scared in all capital letters and the second one in all lowercase letters, it would say that they're not anagrams, which would be incorrect because they are anagrams. So they needed to be equal, so we dropped them to lowercase. I suppose to uppercase would also work there. This comment here says convert the strings to character arrays and sort them, so I'm assuming that's what to char array does. Makes sense. Alright, so we're converting the strings to character arrays, and then we're doing this sorting thing to sort both of the strings. No, both the arrays, I mean. We're sorting the arrays, right. And then we compared the sorted character arrays here with the return arrays dot equals and the two character arrays that have been sorted. So if they equal each other, then it goes over here. It'll print yep, and if it doesn't equal them, then it'll print nope. Okay, I kinda understand that. I understand that. Enter a word. So if we do hi and hello, these two are not gonna be anagrams. Nope. Okay. Alright. I'm getting it. That was really hard and I had to look it up. I had to have help with this one because I just didn't understand past about here. I mean, I kind of knew I had to do an if-else statement. I just didn't know how. I didn't know how to do the if-else statement. But I knew I was gonna need one, and I also knew I was probably gonna need one of these, a method. I just could not get to this part here. This is what I just didn't understand at all. And I definitely couldn't do, because I had never heard of to char array. I'm just now learning about arrays. I just got to that part in the chapter. I just got to that part. Okay, so I didn't know about any of this. But, I think I did pretty okay. I got what I've known, so that's good, right? I got most of it. I got like a 50. I got like a 50. That's not most. It's been almost an hour. I'm getting tired. This one killed me. I'll be honest, the anagram finder killed me. But hey, there you go. There's some programming for you. Do I sound like I know what I'm talking about? No. But did I do what I was talking about? No. Alright, so there we go. That was Programming 101. I hope you all learned something. And by learned something, I mean you definitely didn't learn anything. None of you learned anything, did you? In fact, the people who don't know anything about programming, you're just confused. And the people who do know stuff about programming, you are probably disgusted and concerned. As you should be. We made 4 programs. Hooray! I'm gonna go to bed now. Bye.